How are you guys doing? My name is Babu, and in this tutorial I'm going to learn how to create an Instagram like e-commerce app, which is going to have multiple features just like Instagram, but we're going to have more additional features. So with that being said, let us get started. We're going to import this library material.dat, which is quite basic for almost every Flutter project. The app is going to be called Irandiaga. We're going to create a stateless widget. We're going to return here new material app. We're going to give it a title. The title is going to be Irandiaga 2. Check debug mode. We're going to make it false. We're going to have a theme letter. Primary search. We're going to close the first text theme, which is quite simple. Then we're going to create another one. Text theme. that is what we'll do now. After that, then we're going to give it a home landing page. We're going to create another page which is we're going to call it the home. We do not have that one yet, but very soon we're going to create it. In this material app, we must close. Delete code. I think there is something that is repeated here. I have to delete these two. And we are good to go. Another thing that we're going to create another page which is we're going to call it home. I think it is in lowercase. Home.dat. And as usual, we're going to give it a stateless widget. Import material.dat. Let's call it home. Then we can go back here and import this one. It is quite simple, as you can see. And after that, we're going to return a container. Now we're going to return a scaffold. Yes, scaffold. A bar. What you're going to call it? A top bar. Nope. It is a top bar, of course. A top bar. Yeah, I think it is a top bar. No, it is an up bar. And in this up bar, we're going to give a background color, which is white. Yes. In the version of 0.1, leading, which is we're going to have an icon, so we're going to give it new icon. New icon. Icons dot camera. I think this is a camera. Yes. So we're going to give it a camera. Yeah, camera. I don't think we have one. We have one. Camera underscore alt. What is another thing that we have to include here? Another thing is, I think that's it. Then let us give it what is this one? A title. Yep. And a title, and then we're going to give it a sized box. Yep. size box, then it'll give it a height of 35.0. In Flutter, every number is in double, so you should get used to this one. I think you guys should be good to go. And after that, we're going to have a new child, which is going to be an image asset. Image. Image asset here. I don't think if I have this image. I think I have it here in another project. Yep. To this project, I think I should have one Android. I think I have, but it is all good. It is all good now. Don't you worry, guys. I think I do have one. Yes. Yeah. Assets. Not here. Assets. Okay. I think I do not have one. Yes, I do. Yeah. Here. Fonts. I think I need just an image. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this image. Then I'm going to create it into this one. Create new folder. They're going to give it assets. And inside assets, we're going to create a new folder too, which is going to be images. Then I'm going to paste it. Yep. And we are good to go. So I think we are images. As you can see, the file is in assets / images / install logo.png. Install logo. Yep. And after that, we're going to have something else. Do this now. This is the box. We're going to close it. I'm going to get the hell out of this one and then create actions, which is a widget also. In the asset, in the actions, we're going to have padding, we're going to have a value of I think this is only and a value of 12.0. right. And so they're going to have another child. This child is an icon. Icon, yep. It's going to be icons dot sent. And then I think that is almost what we need to know. I think I should run the app and see what, and then see what we can do. Yeah. Shift Control F5. Thank you guys for staying with me. As you can see, our app is up and running, and I think you guys can see by yourself. The app is almost the same as Instagram in this mode, so you guys are welcome. Let us see what we can do in part 2. Thank you guys very much, and see you in the next